Hello, Gizmo.
Regime, this is the final chapter. The end is near.
The baller. Oh.
And events are moving fast. What's clear to everybody is that Gaddafi...
Gizmo! Just face this way, I don't want your tail.
The better.
The past 24 hours have been shrouded in much uncertainty, but this evening it's becoming clearer than ever that the momentum is with the rebels. Neil Connery, ITV News.
Well, NBC correspondent Richard Engel is inside that compound tonight, and he spoke to us a few moments ago.
I am now inside Muammar Gaddafi's compound in the center of Tripoli. It is being looted as we speak. There's a lot of celebratory gunfire. Some of it is
Gizmo!
anti-aircraft guns, celebratory fire. They're watching people in a steady stream carrying out everything they can out of this compound. Mostly weapons, but also television sets, gold-plated weapons,